Good morning, students. Our next topic is the eddy current. What is the definition of the eddy current? When a bulk piece of a conductor is subjected to changing magnetic flux, circulating currents are induced in it. These currents are called eddy current. So first observe this diagram clearly. So when a bulk piece of conductor is subjected to changing magnetic flux. So this conductor is doing oscillations here. This conductor is doing oscillations. So when this conductor is entering, at the time the magnetic flux will be increases. From here to where the magnetic lines of force started? North to south. Here why? Because into means north to south. So when this will be entering, at that time what is the direction of the induced EMF will be counterclock direction. At that time the magnetic flux increases. So all of you observe this diagram. It is the circular coil C2, it is a circular coil C1. When this coil is connected to battery, this coil is connected to galvanometer. Already it is the Faraday's second experiment. So when this coil is connected to a battery means, so I can apply the electric field like this manner. In this direction, the magnetic field will be induced like this. So the magnetic lines of force started from north to south. So if suppose this coil will be pushing towards, this north pole is pushing towards, at the time the induced EMF direction will be opposite manner. So actually it is in this direction you have to apply the magnetic field, but in which direction the EMF will be induced? Actually it is in this direction induced, but in which direction the EMF is induced? Opposite direction. So it is the Lenz law. So it is in this direction EMF is induced means the magnetic lines of force started here only. So it is the nothing but N. So it is N. The phase of the coil already in Lenz law, when the north pole is approaches, means the phase of the coil will be N manner, opposite. So in which direction it will be induces means, once look here, when this north pole is approaches, the magnetic flux through this loop will be increases. At that time the phase of the coil will be N. In which manner it will be? That means it is a north, it will be act as a north pole. So in between these two there is a repulsion. It is a north pole, it is a north pole. At the time of leaving, there is a magnetic flux decreases. Automatically that end will behave like as a south pole. So simply here also, all of you observe this diagram. When this north pole is approaches, at that time this pole will behave like as a north pole. When it will be leaving means, at that time this pole, at that time the EMF will be induced like this manner. Leaving, magnetic flux decreases, at that time the EMF will be induced like this manner. So at that time this pole will behave like as a south pole. At that time leaving, there is a attraction. So it doing oscillations, this conductor is doing oscillations in a uniform magnetic field. There is a change of magnetic flux. This piece is doing oscillations here. Automatically this conductor comes their equilibrium state quickly. Why? Because at the time of leaving, so this north poles and it will act as a south pole. So there is attraction. That's why this conductor comes their equilibrium state quickly. Okay. And this eddy current will be depends upon the area of this conductor. If suppose this conductor, you have to cut it in this form, like this form. You have to cut it like this form. At that time, this the induced current will be decreases. So how to minimize this eddy current? So by cutting slots the copper plate, reduce the effect of the eddy current. Otherwise you are doing lamination. Eddy currents are minimized by using laminations also we can minimize this eddy current. So once observe the definition, when a bulk piece of conductor is subjected to change of magnetic flux, this conductor is subjected to change of magnetic flux, a circulating currents are induced in it. These currents are called eddy current. All of you, only definition is very important here. And how to minimize, these 2 points are important next. By cutting slots in the copper plate, reduce the effect of eddy current. Eddy currents are minimized by using lamination. So if suppose what is the main application, this eddy current will be used for what is the eddy current will be created? This current will be converted in the form of heat energy, Joule heat energy. Mechanical energy is converted in the form of heat energy. So all of you observe this diagram. When this north pole is approaches, here the eddy current will be induced here. This current will be, EMF is induced here. So this EMF will be again converted in the form of heat energy. So by using this heat energy, we can have one application also. So what are the advantages of eddy current? We are having 4 applications here. First one is the magnetic braking in train. Magnetic braking in train. So if suppose it is a train wheel. So train wheel is there. If suppose this train is moving, it is the direction. In this direction it is moving, means it is moving forward. At the time the magnetic flux is 0. If suppose you have to apply the magnetic flux, you have to apply the magnetic flux like this. So in opposite direction the EMF is induced. In opposite direction. So you have to apply in opposite direction, EMF is induced, means automatically this current will be used for to stop the wheels motion. To stop the wheels motion. Why? Because already you have to, at the time of leaving, this magnetic field will be used for to stop this oscillations. Okay, like this also. Magnetic braking in train also. When the electromagnets situated above the rails are activated, the eddy currents are induced in the rails, oppose the motion of the train. And similarly, electromagnetic damping. Eddy currents are used to bring the coil of a galvanometer to rest quickly. If when a galvanometer doing oscillations like this, so this comes quickly. Why? Because by using eddy current. Eddy currents are used induction furnace to melt metals. Eddy currents are used electric power meters to rotate the discs. Okay, for this application, once you have to in YouTube animated applications of eddy current, you have to observe the animated videos. So it is very easy to understood. So first of all, what is eddy current? You have to clear to read the definition. So what is the eddy current? When a bulk piece of conductor is subjected to a change of magnetic flux, circulating currents are induced in it. These currents are used for which manner? Magnetic braking in trains, electromagnetic damping, and eddy currents are used in induction furnace, means we are heat. So that's why we are used the melt some metals. And eddy currents are used electric power meters. We can alternating current will be at that time the disc will be rotated. And previously we are having the rotating disc will be there. Nowadays we are having digital meters. In previously power meters or the rotating disc will be there. Okay, so all of you once observe the animated videos of the eddy currents, so then you can clearly understood the applications. Okay, bye.